Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can customize your Google Authenticator. Make sure you friends subscribe to our channel. Make sure you put likes under the video and write also your comments after watching. So let us get down to our topic with you friends, and now I will show you everything in detail. If you would like to set up your Google Authenticator, perhaps on some particularly different device to do so, friends, it is not difficult. You can set it up using the Authenticator QR code that you already have on your device. So, first of all, please open the Google Authenticator app itself on your device. Now on the top right, click on your Google profile picture and then manage your Google account. Now, when this page loads, select the security section here on the menu. Then scroll down a little bit further, and above your device section, you'll see the Authenticator option. Click on it. Then when your page loads, you will need to click Continue. You may need to confirm your identity through Face ID, or here's your password. Next, when your identity is confirmed, you will get a page like this, and now click the option to open Authenticator. As you can see, there will appear a small QR code, which you can scan on your other device. So on another device, you can easily customize it further for yourself. This is how you can quickly and easily configure Google Authenticator. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to us. And also be sure to give us some likes. Bye-bye, everyone.